And now Cecil County in the world, specifically Cecil County. We have with us tonight Jamie Marshall, president of the Cecil County Democrat Club, to talk about an event she has helped organize at the Cecil County Public Library in Northeast, March 22nd, 2025, 2 to 4 p.m., all about immigration laws. Jamie, welcome to the show.
Yeah, nice to see you, Bob. Yeah,
What's going on with immigration laws in this presentation?
so we were having lunch, a couple of my friends from the club and I. We were talking about another event, and we started talking about the news. And we were very concerned about what's happening with immigration, what's happening to, legal immigrants, undocumented immigrants, people from other nations who are legally here. And we thought, what should we do? What should we do, right? So we have a kind of conversation, and we said, well, it would help if we knew, like if we really knew the law, if we know what the, if the police are called to help with an ICE situation, then what's the police response going to be? What are the local police departments instructed to do? What are what are their orders from the state? So like to have the facts, which we have a lot of different voices out there that say different things, but I think that the people that we're having there are authorities in these areas and can convey the single fact, not the
law,
various.
the legalities of it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I know from previous experience, I used to go, it's closed down now, Calora Orchards, and pick drop apples off the ground, and Steve Balderson said, we get a lot of folks from other countries that come up here to pick. So that's a population there. It may or may not be under this microscope, of immigration.
Yeah, well, they're expecting to be, if they're not, even people who are here legally, have come in with asylum orders or whatever. And honestly, I don't even know if coming in with an asylum request makes you legal or not. But that's what we're going to find out, right?
Right.
People are very nervous, whether they're documented or not.
I can only imagine. And you have folks from the Governor's Office of Immigration Affairs, the Cecil County Sheriff's Department, Cecil County Board of Ed, immigration law specialists will be there, Immigration Law and Justice Network, and actual stories from immigrants.
Yes. There are various immigrant from the immigrant communities, both ones who've been through the naturalization process or getting their citizenship, and would like to relate that how difficult that is and what it meant to their family to go through that, as well as people who are awaiting citizenship and different levels of immigration from local people.
It's important that the local folks here in Cecil County are aware of the strict legalities and what's happening and what's going on. And I know I am second generation immigrant. My grandparents came over here from England. My dad was born in the U.S., and they always said he was made in England and born here. So.
Yeah, well, lucky him, I think. So, yeah, and then I don't know do you have any? You have that family history pretty close to you. What was the process then? I'm probably not supposed to ask you questions.
Oh, well, let me think. You go to the Statue of Liberty and put in a quarter and pull the lever, and there you go. I don't know. I know. I wasn't born. But
right.
I'll tell you what.
That's another interesting conversation.
I'll tell you what. This is an important topic, and it's going to be discussed at the Cecil County Public Library, Northeast, March 22nd, 2025, 2 to 4. Hot refreshments will be served?
Cookies and cheese and crackers.
Light refreshments. I didn't see it.
Light refreshments.
Well, that's good.
So whatever side of the fence you're on, I think we should all be dealing with the same set of facts, and know what to expect from our local government.
Well, I look forward to finding out. Is there anything we missed, Jamie?
No, I just have a great deal of gratitude from the volunteers of the club who put this together. There's a very impressive list of speakers, and that took a great deal of effort on their part. I'm really appreciative of that to them.
Including former Sheriff Scott Adams.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. So, and I know I think it really speaks to his integrity that he's agreed to do this.
Awesome. Okay.
Okay, well, thanks.
Thank you.
Yeah, you'll be there.
At my age, I don't never know.
Okay,
Let's hope so.
all right, all right.